Hello everyone, I'm here to present the topic COVID 19 symptoms and precautions. So let's see what is COVID 19. COVID 19 is an infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. As we all know, COVID 19 has its reach everywhere in the country. Due to this, we all are still unsafe even if we aren't going anywhere. This deadly disease has also spread in the air. Let's see what are the symptoms of COVID 19. Most common symptoms: fever, dry cough, tiredness, chest pain, difficulty in breathing. These are the most common symptoms of COVID 19. So, to prevent this virus, we have to take some precautions which will help us to stay safe. So, let's see what are the precautions of COVID 19. Wear a mask, wash your hands frequently, carry a sanitizer. Cover your cough and sneeze. Stay 1 meter away from sick people. Social distancing in supermarket. Impact of COVID-19 on people's livelihoods, their health and food system. The COVID-19 pandemic has led to a dramatic loss of human life worldwide. The economical and social disruption caused by the pandemic is terrifying. 10 millions of people are at risk of falling into extreme poverty. Millions of enterprises face an existential threat. Nearly half of the world's global workforce are at risk of losing their livelihoods. Workers are particularly vulnerable because the majority lack social protection and access to quality health care. Without the means to earn an income during lockdowns, many are unable to feed themselves and their families. For most, no income means no food. The pandemic has been affecting the food system and laid to bear its fragility. Millions of agricultural workers, while feeding the world, regularly face high levels of working poverty, poor health, and suffer from a lack of safety and labor protection, as well as other types of abuse. With low and irregular incomes and a lack of social support, workers are vulnerable because they face risk in their transport, living conditions, and struggle to access support measures put by the government. COVID-19 impact on the animal. The novel coronavirus and the COVID-19 disease that it causes have sickened mostly humans. Here's what we know about the animals that have been infected. While the humans tally of COVID-19 cases has risen, animal cases has remained novelties. As of this moment, you can count that affected species on one hand: lion, tigers, domestic cats, dogs. The pets contracted the virus from their owners. Cats are known to be susceptible to coronavirus, and several pets, cats in Europe, Asia, and the US have been tested positive for COVID-19. As the end of the lockdown period approached by the state government recommended extending the lockdown. Lockdown was placed when the number of confirmed positive cases in India was approximately 500. Lockdown restrictions were imposed in containment zones due to rising COVID cases. As we can see that there are some advantages and disadvantages of lockdown. Let's see. The advantages are school and colleges holidays. Students can use their quality time in studying and the other activities in which they are interested. Spend time in the house by not going anywhere. Time to spend with family members. Moreover, everyone is working from home. There is no need to step out of the house and meet with relatives. Watching a movie along with the family members, spend time with parents and explain career planning, views. Saving time to avoid transportation, prayer, sports, chatting with friends, spending 5 to 6 hours of the quality time for the online classes, whereas in school, spend 10 hours. Getting more time for the self-study if we use in the proper way to avoid watching movies and playing mobile games. There are significant disadvantages because there is a huge loss in jobs, lives, and the economy of the country. Main disadvantages for students are online classes. The adoption rate is around 50 to 60%, whereas in the classroom the adoption rate was around 80 to 90%. Online classes affect the eyes of the students due to long hours in front of the blue screen. Surely, there are lots of disadvantages factors, like there are no exams, students are being given marks by the internals. This may impact their career in the future. These factors are going to be a foreshadow to the child further life. On this note, want to say that students are missing the days in the schools and colleges, hoping the government take good decisions on education with clear instructions as early as possible to avoid the situations that occurred by COVID-19 pandemic.